Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Not afraid. Him don't afraid. He don't afraid for clash nobody. When you can't take that from the youth there, no matter what.
A few moments later.
You cannot say that youth afraid for clash nobody.
2,000 years later.
That's how brave he is. Me see that. Me see that I know that he's not stupid. And if you don't know this, me know him, I use 48 laws of power in our music. He a maneuver himself with a lot of them laws there in the music.
Go suck your mother. So you remove your pussy hole and come down.
People who are going, you don't know me the facts, you know. Yeah, man. But people, wait there. Alkaline around dancehall, you know. Eh? How are going? Then wait there. So Alkaline dropped 2 songs, Priority and Keyman. And yo, how are going? So I'm to say artist them song now get no review. How are going? Everybody, me see all mad sauce run out. Me tell you, you know. Enough of them undercover fans, you know. We never see them react with their artists song so yet. I tell you people. But it's a good promotion same way. You see me choice and look at it. Come like say Alkaline alone I do it musically. Cause remember you know, the little clout and hype run out after a while, you know. You understand? Yeah man, the little clout and hype and thing run out after a while. So Alkaline drop a song named Keyman. People, we have to go listen to it. You understand? We have to go listen to it, man. Have to go listen to it. Bad song, him and address everybody. All who call up him name to get a hype. Cause remember you know, Keyman, Alkaline cut him one key. Enough of them artists, yeah. A man cut them key for them. You understand? So them can't be a leader. Them have to be a follower. Once a man cut your key, you have to be a follower. You understand? Unless the man will cut the key for him weak. You understand? But let me tell these people. The way you see dancehall about right now. Because they don't know me the facts. I'm going to come to the facts. Alkaline right now, I carry the swing with the music. See it? The crux is there, but then he eat out that. Yeah man. They eat out that man. Nothing in a swamp again. Cause it this, he man will cut the key for him and then take back the key. Yeah man. So right now, Alkaline alone when me see him put out the music them with no video. No video in the people. Everybody else a drop music video boys like, what really a go on? Like, no man not do the rest of the artists them away man. I can't Alkaline alone when he drop song people talk about it. I said this and that and rare. Alkaline, but when we realize people, oh, Alkaline say one little part in a song. When say something about brother. Zinka is a youth, you know, him calculated, you know. Him know where them are going to run with it, you know. But brother, like, the brother thing. How much time? It's like, bro, I just one thing when I pick out a song, like, I saw no gravitate to them thing there. And that more I know, no gravitate to them thing there. But, remember, you know, one man so him run out, you know. I remember Gaza him say, but me I say, yo, why every time when Alkaline drop a song, the Gaza people them run out like them listen to the song, you know, them start critique it, them listening, them say Ray, but why them not deal with them artist songs so when them artists drop song, them not break it down, them not break down the lyrics, them not do all of them look something here. What is going on people? Zane, come see like Matsusa talk, come here say wait. No man, the way Matsusa explain everything, it's like he's a fan. Yeah man, him is a fan man, can I tell everybody, say yo that older youth Ray and bro, you can't do that. You remember say your daddy and Alka, I know they not link so. But we know what things said, remember when Alkaline dropped the interview in the UK, you know, BET, you know. See, and it's like, and they comment, you know, yo dog, stop move like you're a fool, brother, and talk the truth. Talk the truth, say yo, the man inspire you. But they don't understand. It's because them dumb. But me tell you this, Alkaline are profit people. When you listen, Alkaline told in 2016, and you see what go on. Remember, man have a song where say, pick your side. It's going to be a part in dancehall where you have to pick on your side. And that I miss it right now in a dancehall, you know. Me I tell you know. Because right now, you can come upon an artist with name really a call. But for Alkaline in the game, him and name no stop call until today. You understand? Without song, when him drop song, when him do him show them, all of them look at something. Yo, man have a key. Me I tell you. The man really have a key for his city, people. Me I tell you, the man have a key for his city. Imagine a youth when I do social media, none at all. None at all. And feel name a call up so. Something not right. No man. Alka change the game. Yeah man, Alka change the game man, me I tell you. Cause it just now add up. Yeah man, it now add up people, so all of them little thing here, it just now make no sense. Yeah man, Alkaline are the leader for the young generation right now. Like, I don't know how the youth do it, but I'm smart, I tell you. Cause sometimes I wonder, oh the man know the social media, brother, and it's like, the man name call up more than any other artist right now. And no matter what, them know say, yo, the youth a do it. Yeah man, the youth a do it, man. So in the youth song, the man forward out, yo man address people. Who remember when Alkaline drop? Badness it name. When the man address everybody, yo, me I say that song they tear up everywhere, now, brother. Me I tell you, say, me go all country, you know. And when that song they drop in a big touch, you know. Me I tell you, say, big and done. Yeah, man, big and done. So, this a man I drop the key, man. Man a real key, brother. Right now, to me, you just want to put Alkaline in your timeline and you're good. Me I tell you, you get views with that. You are going to get views. People are going to talk. You understand? Because you see Vendetta, people in the Vendetta fan base. And they look at guys that, yo, right now, I feel like if Alkaline never in a dancehall right now, me I tell you, say, he would not go on at the energy rate to go right now. Because everybody bow out. Alkaline alone are hold him own right now. Me I tell you, Alkaline alone are hold him own right now. I'm a rate where youth are do. The youth, I'm my only artist when I see how him a focus on music for you listen. Because, you see, because enough of them people are just a jump on some wagon for the hype, so they might try this. When the youth drop him song and all of them look at something there. Yeah. They might try to turn it around and spin it. Because I see one vlogger boy, you know. Yeah, man, I see one vlogger boy, man. Cartel post him up one time, him fan out. Him man start tear down Alkaline song them. I say, watch and I see man, we have put up Alkaline song a few months ago. I say, okay. We don't even know, say, we don't mash up on yourself, this, brother. Man post on one time. And no change. No change for neutral Ghana singles now. But I say, I think soon after, I'm going to realize what I'm going. But people, key man, I tell you, because looking at people, I not play a song, you know. Because I want to know, go over Alkaline page, go listen to it. Go listen to the song. Because I'm tell you people why them not rate Alkaline. You see, Alkaline song, you have to listen, to understand. The other song, they might be a chick, chak, ray. You understand? Alkaline song a quality song, and that's why them not rate it. Because look here, them rate Alkaline song, them, but let me tell you what the problem. You see, they can't program Alkaline and tell him what to do. At that, the song where they expect. Seem like, alright, when I look at war season and Alkaline can drop all one girl song, yeah. Let them feel this, they must say, you want this man for drop, you know. And this, a war song. Because look at everybody knows say Alkaline brave. When it come to war, Alkaline a run from that. So when them see him drop girl song, them say him feel away, because them look at them know say only bravest artist in the dancehall right now. Them know that. When it comes to war, no matter what them hate him and this and that, them all come talk it through. See him like where Mad Sus forward can come to as a Gaza man. Him know car. Him is a fan in them, watch Alkaline thing, them watch every post, you know. And he listening song them, you know. Enough of them. You see how if you catch him behind doors, Alkaline a earphone and with boombox or whatsoever, them a play radio, a beat Alkaline song. What you mean? Because if they never rate Alkaline, they wouldn't come out come talk. Or you not see them in a comment. Enough of them rate the youth, I just show them have to just understand the rules. Look at, yo, you can't get the apps now, right now. But you can't see man so him can't hold it. He have to come talk. Yeah man, he have to come talk. But it shows, look at, Alkaline alone in the dancehall right now where I drop song where people are talk about it, mean like review it. They're all over the internet. They must say, yo, him this and this man and rate. Because them afraid of Alkaline, you know, I tell you, you know, you just remember this. You see, anytime you make sure so when you go war with Alkaline, nobody feel like you can come 1, 2, 3, you know. Because you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to go ready. Because you see that you they calculate. You understand? You see future say, yo, you have to end up in a grave. So you have to go come with something different. And this is the thing. I tell you why the youth master the thing. Remember, you know, Alkaline put him life out there like that. The only thing them can talk about a brother and him a gelding. And him sing it in a song. That's all them can talk about. He not no girl. All of them something there. Because you keep everything private. So them not no ammunition for singing a song for try this him and all of them look something there. But as me say, people go listen to the song because song tough, me rate it. Real key man. Because remember, you know, Alkaline got him own key, you know. And at that, give him the power in a dancehall. Because look here, nobody can tell him, say, hey boy, don't clash the youth, they don't give him no strength. The youth have him own a thing I deal with. You notice, I'm my only artist in a dancehall right now where I drop audio and it get more attention than who I drop video. Them listen Alkaline song, the other song, they just watch video, that's it. They don't care about lyrics and all of them because Alkaline song, them listen to. At that they want hear because look here, you will dance all over there so and Alkaline just in over here so. Pan in Villa go and watch them. in I see. Yeah man. So people, go and go listen to the song. Cause I tell you, me a one vlogger. Me talk about everything. See? But me pick my side. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. Every vlogger have their artists with their rate, but through them one like neutral views, they now come out, come talk. But if you hear it in them voice, you will know say you're that artist them rating. But me I go come forward and say, yo, I've been that I think there. But what? Me not go move bias and come talk about some artists and tell lie and all of them something there. Yeah, me I go talk the facts and the truth. Yeah man, and that me I go deal with that me I deal with too. So some of the time when me hear them man, me I say, yo, Jano, yo, we see when not talk about artists, talk the truth, brother. You understand? Explain. Don't say a word and you can't explain it. You see me? But people, go listen to the song. Key man. You understand? Tougher than Lil and yo, it song tough. Me I tell you, see all the cover art. Yo, Alkaline turn up the game with cover art, you know, you know. I think our youth is so sick. Yo, that you the bad panel graphics, you know, me I tell you, ramp with the After Effects. Yeah man. Ramp with the After Effects, man. But right now, I don't know. The crux thing weak right now. Yeah, wet bread that. Me I tell you, wet bread. Nothing dead like. Alkaline on arrival right now, brother. Man, nobody can. Bro, me not think right now, me not think nobody in a dancehall right now, even I got previous step to Alka right now. Cause the youth ready anytime. I'm ready anytime. But him and nobody not really in a war or nothing right now. But the youth just make you know. Remember man say dangerous youth, you know. Dangerous youth. So what we say when they see danger sign, and a normal thing. So when not forward, when ready. Nobody come run with a little flip flop and bono 20 matic and all lives and shot done. And then when you look now, you realize you want to shot run out and then Alkaline have shot this. You know what you do? Brother, you have to prepare. Me I tell you now, Alkaline afraid of nobody. The man well you see people who say silent and observe and keep them life. It's like a silent river run deep. You see river running, you know, and you can't see nothing in it. You can't see under the water or whatsoever. We say when you jump into that and I try step for reach ground, you can't reach it. Your life out. Yeah man, Alkaline, that's how. Don't feel like say you can just run up and feel like say that's some joke thing. Make sure you're ready. Yeah man, I see where you are saying nice song. You see it. But when you know things said, you have to go just listen to song people, because we know someone listen it already and people hear much people review it. That's why I didn't even play it. But go and go listen to it, run up the views them. Tough song. You might address everybody. You look like one partner like him a style, but like him and say you wanna call up man name, forget a look at hype, look at views. You don't know about that. Everybody will call Alkaline name. You understand? Cause remember you know, the man a style the grandfather, the father and the son. Yeah man, I don't know who that already. Yeah man, so it right now Alkaline a damage place with music right now. Yeah man. You know some of the time some of them say, oh, this song are gonna away and Ray and take, but what? It alone get the attention right now. 2 songs man dropping and no video enough, nobody now watching, you know. So wait there. So back then when dancehall are going, remember say nobody now pre-video, you know. I listen them and listen song, you know. You understand? Yeah. Right now people, you come like if you not call Alkaline name right now, brother, nothing not going for you. Me I tell you. Me say all of who call Alkaline and this Alkaline now, them can't be found. All of the podcasts, what you call it? All of the podcasts, the TV, them, all of them look at something there. With this Alka, tech side and all of them something there. Where are they now? Them need Alkaline to go viral. Right now, Alkaline are only artists in a dancehall now where need to go viral. Remember say, you don't know, Grams thing, you kinda get water out in a way where it's like, you get into the nerves. He's a nerves. You come like one ads you pop up on YouTube and you just press skip. Cause remember, you know, if you come on out your thing after a while, it's like, no impact no really dead. Like, oh, I'm that alright. But Alkaline, they don't see me in the media none at all. You understand? So that's why the youth are focused on me. I tell you, say, yo, Alkaline smart in people. Me I tell you, you know, youth smart. Cause, pre this. In a dancehall now, I see couple video drop. Popcorn, them a release. Yo, every artist, the man a release video, but it's like, wow, go on, you. Yo, some of the time I say, yo, no Kennedy and Alkaline in a dancehall, you know. We don't need to start review artists them thing. You understand? On an Alka alone. But we know the effect already. Because look here, Alka dancehall mean danger. Why when Alkaline drop a song, we are talking about audio, we not talking about a video for watch. Why when him drop something, everybody are talk about it. One to the other is an artist them. You understand? Yes people, so as I say, just go listen to the song. Yeah man, listen it and you can give you an opinion on certain things. But yo, I tell you, everything right now in the dancehall, it all boils down to fans. If you don't have any fans, your career now go on. You have to have fans where if you push your music, and it's a show right now. Because look here, social media get powerful right now where it kinda make things just look pale, if you don't understand. Where it drama out, all it now focus on wait for it's like it don't really have any focus. Really. You understand? It's just look a drama thing, them the certain little thing. Remember say a couple years ago like people usually do a little skit with them video like them try to create a little controversy thing without before them release the music. But once the music released, it's like the controversy thing when them put first is like that move go viral more than the music video. You understand? But right now, if you don't have no fans, you tell the people you think I was water down. Like we see over the time when alright, Cartel would have forward and all that who did around with the Gaza thing kind of water down. You try to look at them artists and never have no fans. And when you look, you wonder how nobody now talk about these man music anymore. And it show you, for example, like Popcorn and drop music left, right, like Canilla. The fans are really dead if you push your music again because they don't know the Gaza thing. Enough of them artists, yeah man. Right now, the only thing I see of MASICKA song them at the label. Yeah, because you don't know the Gaza people, them did a push film thing. And if you realize now, the Gaza thing not really with MASICKA no more. So that's why you realize, yo, when it comes to the song thing, them, you know, nobody even really a preach. Yeah man, nobody not really preach like that again. Because him kind of lose some of the Gaza people, you know. Yeah man, if you see it, you kind of lose. He not really get his strength fully if he can get. But as you go over the years when you not build fan base, and Alkaline fan base always go dead with him because them go through the struggles, the hate and the fight. So them understand them artists. But in a matter them say, yo, you song them will drop flop away, but look here. I only song them will get the attention in the dancehall right now. And everybody will listen to it and I review it and I talk about it. So it's true, say, yo, everybody really interested with Alkaline do, because if them never interested, they wouldn't pull up them priority and I say, yo, what kind of song that and brilliant. Because look here, as an artist you have to lead the people, you have to lead the fans them. If you just follow the fans them are leading into a path where you know no use. Because look here now, priority, you know why them never read priority always hit #1 on the iTunes chart. You know why? Because them they want a war song them they want and them don't get it. But look here now, you don't realize everything change. Because you know you can't please everybody. Alkaline drop Keyman now. See? Keyman him drop right now, you know. And everybody say bombard. Man, so everybody silent now. Everybody silent now when the war song and the this song drop. But when him drop is the girls say, yo, what kind of song that your song not so good? When him drop, when they want now, everybody silent. At that they want. The undercover fans them they know, so they work. It's when they don't get what they get. Yeah man. And them thing and them deal with. But people, I don't know what things set, you know. I just, right now, Alkaline take his spotlight right now, brother. But it's like, I mean, I was to take. Him always in a spotlight without even, he man even try. Right now, he man interview when do the way they go down in a history book. I'm most talk interview me ever see. Yeah, man. Most talk interview people talk about, yo, me I tell you, the youth set a, yo, he man set a impact in a dancehall, me I tell you, no matter if you hate him or what, you have to rate him by certain levels. Because you do it, you never take no strength from nobody. But people, go and go listen to man. But now I play it. You understand? I'm want to go over there, go run it up. Yeah man, I think it a clock maybe reach like 200k views already. But when I don't know my database that, you see it. But people, when I don't know, you know, yeah man, a media facts man, you know what things said. Big up everybody, respect for the support. Yeah man. Big up all fan base, you know what things said. Yeah man, a media facts man. That is it.